जय श्रीमन्नारायण. श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 8th chapter अक्षर परब्रह्म योगमु 25th श्लोक. गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, Arjuna, there is another path which is known as Dhumadi Margam, which is also known as Chandramandala Margam. The meritorious person travels in this Margam. The yogi travels in this Margam after the departure from the body. But whoever travels in this path, they will have to come back to this cycle of birth and death. In this path, there are 4 devatas. Those devatas are known as Abhimana devatas, preceding devatas. One is Abhimana devata of smoke, dhumam. Another one is Abhimana devata of ratri, night. And third one is Abhimana devata of Krishna Paksham. And fourth devata is Abhimana devata of Dakshinayanam, which has 6 months duration. So the path which has these devatas is known as Dhumadi Margam or Chandramandala Margam. Yogis, Punyatmas, travels in this path and enjoys the karma phalam, then comes back to the cycle of this birth and death. Like this, Sri Krishna Paramatma giving us details about Dhumadi Margam. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Dhumo ratrihi tadha krishnaha Shanmasa Dakshinayanam Tatra Chandramasam Jyotihi Yogi Prapya Nivartate Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, become my devotee, keep on performing all your prescribed duties as my service, keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging and keep doing namaskaram to me. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Do not cry. Ma Suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now, let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on meditating upon you. O Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on performing all my prescribed duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam. Sukhamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam. Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam. Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantam apeta krutyam. Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava. Putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu. Tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam, 3rd Skandham, Tritiya Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Maitreya teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Vidura, saying that, O Vidura, now I am giving more details about the Srishti. The 3rd Srishti out of 9 Srishtis is known as Bhuta Srishti. In this, Shabda, Sparsha, Rupa, Rasa, Gandha. These are all when they are in subtle form, Sukshma Avastha. They are known as Tanmatras. And these Tanmatras also called as Shakti. And then Panchamahabhutas, they are known as Dravyas. These two, Shaktis and Dravyas, are like body of Paramatma. That means these Shaktis and Dravyas are controlled by, organized by Paramatma. This kind of Srishti, Tanmatra Dravya Drishti, is known as Bhuta Srishti. Vidra. Now 4th Srishti is Indriya Srishti, Jnanendriyas, Karmendriyas. And 5th Srishti is known as Indriya Abhimana Devata. For every Indriya there is one Abhimana, presiding Devata. Those Devatas are brought out. That means Devata Srishti is done. That is also known as Deva Sargam. And 6th Srishti is Tamasa Srishti. That means Anda Srishti. This is not done by Chaturmukha, but Paramatma himself with his Sankalpam, he does this Anda Srishti. Now, up to now, all these 6 Srishtis are known as Prakruta Srishti. Then another 3 Srishtis comes under Vaikruta Srishti. These 3 Srishtis are being done by Chaturmukha Brahma. In this, 7th Srishti is known as Sthavara Srishti. That means there is no Chaitanyam in these Sthavaras, like herbs, bushes, trees, all those kind of things. For those Sthavaras, the food travels from bottom to up, and they do not move. These are all immovable. And these Sthavaras creates some sort of touch. With that, we feel either cold or hot. These kind of pleasures and pains we get from these Sthavaras. And then 8th Srishti is Tiryak Srishti. These Tiryaks cannot understand the past, present and future. That means they don't know about what is yesterday, what is today, what is tomorrow. All that these Tiryaks does is eat, sleep and enjoy, those kind of things. And these Tiryaks, just by getting smell, they will be able to identify objects. They also know about pleasure and pain, Tiryaks, animals, but they do not remember those pleasures and pains for long time. Oh Vidura. And the last one is ninth Srishti is Manushya Srishti. In this Manushyas, humans, because there is Rajogunam predominantly high, they will be always engaged in performing activities. Like this, Maitreya teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Vidura. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham Krishne namarasyatravo vinihataha Krishnaya tasmai namaha Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam He Krishna Samrakshamaam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 8th chapter 25th sloka. Dhumo ratrihi tadha Krishnaha Shanmasa Dakshinayanam Tatra Chandramasam Jyotihi Yogi prapya nivartate. Dhumo ratrihi tadha Krishnaha Shanmasa Dakshinayanam Tatra Chandramasam Jyotihi Yogi prapya nivartate. Srimannarayana Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.